Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Gould, Associate Medical Officer of Health for York Region Public Health. The Government of Ontario has announced a province-wide emergency brake shutdown in an effort to slow the spread of COVID-19 and decrease hospitalizations across the province as we allow vaccination efforts to take hold. The shutdown came into effect on Saturday, April 3, 2021. The public health measures and enhanced restrictions outlined in the province-wide shutdown are in place to discourage residents from gathering with those outside of their immediate household and to limit close contacts in the community. Throughout the pandemic, York Region has dedicated our efforts to protect the health, safety, and well-being of our residents, while at the same time balancing the economic interests of local businesses and supporting safe in-person learning for students. York Region, like many other jurisdictions across the province, is currently experiencing an increase in COVID-19 incidents, primarily driven by variants of concern. Over the last week, we have seen transmission in some parts of the region nearing the incidence rate experienced at the peak of Wave 2. Despite this alarming trend, significant progress continues to be made in fighting the virus as we advance our aggressive COVID-19 vaccination strategy. At this time, over 193,000 vaccines have been administered in York Region. Last week, we expanded vaccine appointments to residents aged 65 years and older. As vaccine supply increases, more clinic appointments will be released, and we will move forward to the next priority groups. I want to assure you the best vaccine to get is the first one offered to you. There is no need to delay or wait for one type of vaccine over another. People who are vaccinated gain protection without ever having to risk the serious consequences of getting sick from exposure to the virus. Yesterday, we received a new shipment of Moderna vaccine, allowing us to begin reopening clinics we had temporarily closed due to the lack of vaccine. This week, a new clinic for residents will open in the township of King at the Trison Centre, and we'll begin to mobilize our hotspot strategy for priority areas in the cities of Vaughan and Markham. The province has announced select pharmacies across the province, including 37 in New York Region, are booking appointments for AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines for adults aged 55 and older. An appointment is required and will be booked at any participating pharmacy in the province by visiting Ontario's website. I encourage all residents to book their vaccine appointments as soon as they are eligible. It is through vaccination efforts we will be able to make a real difference in controlling the spread of the virus in our communities. The province-wide shutdown is not the news any of us wanted to hear, but remains a stark reminder of the important role we all play in slowing the spread of COVID-19 in our communities. Through a collective commitment to limit close contacts, support local businesses, and follow public health advice, we will once again bring our case numbers down and allow York Region's aggressive vaccination strategy to take hold across our communities. Stay safe, stay informed.